Bettano 20W50SL is a type of motor oil commonly used for older or high-performance engines. Here's a detailed overview of the product based on standard specifications for 20W50SL motor oils. Overview. SAE Grade 20W50. The viscosity grade indicates the oil's thickness at low and high temperatures. 20W50 is a thicker oil, suitable for warmer climates and older engines. API Service Classification SL. The API SL standard is designed for gasoline engines built after 2001. It provides excellent protection against wear, deposits, and oil oxidation while maintaining engine cleanliness. Features and benefits. 1. High viscosity. Ideal for engines requiring thicker oil, especially in high-temperature environments or engines with higher mileage. 2. Thermal stability. Provides protection under extreme temperature conditions, reducing thermal breakdown. 3. Anti-wear properties. Ensures prolonged engine life by reducing friction and wear. 4. Oxidation resistance. Prevents sludge and deposit formation, ensuring cleaner engine performance. 5. Compatibility. Suitable for vehicles with older engine designs or engines requiring high viscosity oil. Applications. Recommended for gasoline engines in passenger cars, light trucks, and SUVs. Particularly effective for older vehicles or those operating under severe conditions, such as towing or hauling. Suitable for use in engines where the manufacturer specifies API SL or earlier standards. Typical technical specifications. Viscosity at 40 degrees Celsius, 160 to 170 Cst. Approximate range varies by brand. Viscosity at 100 degrees Celsius, 18 to 20 Cst. Viscosity index, high, ensuring stable performance over a range of temperatures. Flash point, typically above 200 degrees Celsius, indicating thermal stability. Pour point, approximately -25 degrees Celsius, ensuring flow in cold weather. If you need a specific data sheet or information about a particular brand of Bettano 20W50SL, let me know. Bettano A68 hydraulic oil is a premium-grade anti-wear hydraulic fluid commonly used in industrial, construction, agricultural, and marine machinery. It belongs to the ISO VG68 viscosity class and is designed for high-performance hydraulic systems requiring reliable lubrication and wear protection. Key features and applications. 1. Anti-wear additives. A68 hydraulic oils, such as those with high zinc formulations, are fortified with additives to minimize wear and tear on pumps, motors, and valves. This ensures longer equipment lifespan under high-pressure operations. 7-9. 2. Thermal stability. These oils maintain viscosity across a wide temperature range, supporting operations in both hot and cold conditions. They also resist oxidation, preventing sludge and deposits in hydraulic systems. 7-9. 3. Rust and corrosion protection. A68 provides excellent protection against rust and corrosion, making it suitable for marine and outdoor applications. 8-9. 4. Foam control. The oil includes anti-foam agents for smooth operation by reducing air entrapment within hydraulic systems. 9-10. 5. Applications. It is widely used in systems like excavators, bulldozers, cranes, tractors, and injection molding machines, where consistent hydraulic pressure and lubrication are critical. 7-8. For detailed specifications or compatibility with specific machinery, consult the product's technical data sheet or manufacturer recommendations. You can explore detailed technical information from sources like Armor Lubricants, Mobil, or Duragard Oil. 7-8-9. Bettano 20W50 Diesel CI4 is a multi-grade diesel engine oil designed for heavy-duty engines. Here's an overview of its key features and benefits. Specifications. Viscosity grade, SAE 20W50. API rating, CI4. Suitable for both naturally aspirated and turbocharged diesel engines. Key fee 2.